Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the basics that actually matter. First, make sure your iPhone XR runs the latest iOS. Updates often fix Face ID bugs. Next, inspect the true depth area and gently clean any dust or residue because the sensors need an unobstructed view. Once done, remove bulky cases and screen protectors and move to a well-lit area. This ensures the camera can map your face accurately, which is essential for reliable authentication. You now reset Face ID to clear any corrupt data that could block recognition. Go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode, and enter your passcode. Tap Reset Face ID to delete the existing profile. After that, choose Set up Face ID and follow the prompts slowly. Move your head in a gentle circle so the true depth camera captures different angles. This improves the depth map and reduces false negatives. Make sure your eyes, nose, and mouth are fully visible during both scans. If problems persist after retraining, try a forced restart to clear transient glitches. This often resolves sensor hangs. If Face ID still won't work, back up your data and perform a restore via iCloud or Finder to rule out software corruption. Should the issue remain, it likely points to hardware, temperature damage, or sensor failure, so contact Apple support or an authorized repair center. One key troubleshooting tip: if Face ID works intermittently, note when it fails. Lighting, glasses, or facial changes often reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.